Hi viewers, don't forget to comment, like and share this video to others to enjoy. Let us look at the question on the board. The midpoint of the line joining JK is M. We can see that the coordinates are being given to X on the board, and we have been asked to find the value of U and V, and also we have to find the magnitude of JK. This question falls under what we call coordinate geometry in mathematics. Now, in the question, since the midpoint is given to us, okay, as 1, 2u minus 1, then mathematically, we can say that the midpoint of a line is equal to x1 plus x2, all divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 all divided by 2. So this is the formula we are going to use to get our u and what and a v. Now from the question, we have our j to be 2u3, all right. We also have our k to be minus 4v, and we have our n to be 1, 2u minus 1. So we are going to fix these values here into the formula. Now we have our m here, and the m coordinate is given to us as 1, 2u minus 1, which will be equal to, now before we fix these values into this formula, our first coordinate, we name it x1, y1, all right, and the second coordinate x2, y2. So let's see how we can fix it. So we have x1, and our x1 is 2u plus x2, which is negative 4, all divided by what? 2. Then we have y1, which is 3, plus y2, which is v, all divided by 2, as we can see. By the principle of equality in mathematics, we can see that what is on the left hand side is equal to what is on the right hand side. Therefore, our 1 here will be equal to this. So we say 1 should be equal to 2u minus 4, all divided by 2. We simplify this to get our u, all right. So these 2 here will multiply the 1 here, and we are going to get 2 equal to 2u minus 4, all right. We group like terms, so we have 2 plus 4 equal to 2u. So 2u will be equal to 6. We divide both sides by 2 to get our u, and our u is going to be what? 3. Now, we need to get our v as usual. So this here will also be equated to that. So we have 2u minus 1 should be equal to 3 plus v, all divided by 2. Again, we cross multiply to break the fraction. So we have 2 here, multiplying 2u minus 1 equal to 3 plus v. All right. We expand this as 4v minus 2 equal to 3 plus v. Sorry, we have here to be u, all right. So now we know our u to be 3, so we put 3 here minus 2 equal to 3 plus v. So we have 12 minus 2 equal to 3 plus v. 12 minus 2 will give us 10 equal to 3 plus v. So we have 10 minus 3 equal to v. So our v is going to give us 7, all right. So we can conclude by saying that our u is equal to 3, all right, and our v is equal to 7. So this is how we can find or answer what? A. Now let us look at the b part. The b part, we have been asked to find the magnitude of jk, and mathematically we know that magnitude of a line, which is jk, will be equal to square root of change in x squared. So we have x minus x1 squared plus change in y squared. So y2 minus y1 all squared. All right, as we can see. But before then, we need to get our j and what? And k. So let's see how we can do that. So our j from the question is 2u3. All right, now we know our u to be what? 3. So we fix 3 here, as you can see. So we have 6, 3. So this is our j now. Now let's also get our k. So our k is negative 4v. All right, but our v is what? 7. So we have this. Now we are going to substitute these values into this formula. All right, so what can we do? Our first coordinate, which is j, we name it x1 y1, and the second one we name it x2 y2. So let's see how we can fix it into the formula. So we have the magnitude of jk, which is equal to square root of change in what? X squared plus change in y squared. Now our x2 from the coordinate we have here will be negative 4, all right, minus x1, which is going to be what? 6. So we have 6 here all squared, plus our y2. Our y2 is going to be 7 minus our y1, which is going to be what? 3 all squared. So we break this down as negative 4 minus 6 will give us negative 10. So we have negative 10 squared, plus 7 minus 3 will give us 4. We have 4 squared. So we simplify this. Negative 10 squared will give us 100. 4 squared will give us 16. All right, so we have 100 plus 16 will give us 116. Now we can simplify this. Square root of 116 will give us 2 root 29. Since its distance will bring unit, or we can leave it in decimals, 10.77 units as our final answer. So this is how we can answer this beautiful question. Thanks for watching.